I'm moving it so I can step over this.
Oh, they look vicious.
Well, let's see if I can catch one.
Are you going to use this?
The black one? I think the black one is more. I don't know.
That big one right there with all that colorful feathers. It's like the king of all
That's
chickens.
the rooster.
Yeah.
He looks at me like, huh?
It's all right. You're not getting hurt.
You got the only one that stays in the pen.
Chicken.
You're great. If it obeys.
Sorry, chicken. Come on. Oh, come on. Quit kicking. Quit kicking. Hold still. Come on. I don't think it's going to work for this chicken. He's a feisty, too feisty, I think. Come on. Hold still, you little
I thought chickens can fly.
Me too. I don't know. Well, they kind of jump.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Serious?
kind of weird, but...
How did you figure this out?
Didn't John show you how to hypnotize a chicken?
I think he did.
You like to hypnotize chicken? Oh my god, that's scary. Oh my gosh.
He did it. Oh my God, Bill.
Come on, you can get back with your buddies now. Thank you for your cooperation.